Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is Parkinson's syndrome. It is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's disease, and that's how everything got started. I wanted to show just because you have some challenges doesn't mean that you have to give up what you know and love, and what I know and love is makeup. And everybody who's been here from the like close to the beginning can probably recite that word for word. I'm sorry. So I am doing another gift or skip today, and it is another drugstore one. This time we are looking at the Triple Glammy by Soap and Glory. So you get your eyeshadows, you get a mascara, and you get a lip gloss. Now, just like with the other ones, I have used these. I've dipped into them. I didn't want them to be, you know, like a first impressions or something like that. I really wanted to get the feel for them. So I've been using it. I just put it back in the container. So now I get to take it out of the container. So this retails for $16, and I got this one at Walgreens. And there we go. I was so scared of breaking the eyeshadows. Alright, I got them out. So the eyeshadows, you get 6 shadows here. And you have a mix of mattes and shimmers. And then you get their Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. And a Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Gloss. So let's start with the lip gloss. It, first of all, it smells like cocoa. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like cocoa. Let's put some on. There we go. Now it does have a little tiny bit of the, you know, like the, I don't want to say stinging. It doesn't sting. Kind of, I don't know, the sensation you get from plumping lip glosses, it has a little tiny bit of that, but it doesn't burn, it doesn't sting, it's not too strong. You can just kind of feel it warming up there. You can feel a little bit of tingling, but it's not bad at all. It is not sticky. It does kind of, I don't know, melts into your lips. I think that would be the best way to put it. But the shine stays. Even when you feel like it's already gone because it's melted into your lips, you look in the mirror and there's still some shine there. I could smell the cocoa on my lips. So now it's starting to kind of give the tingle, a little bit of tingle there. If you don't like that feeling, don't get this. But it really is a good gloss. It's non-sticky. It's more of a fluid, I would say. But this is really good. The mascara is like, I don't know, it's the strangest wand I think I've ever used. And I've used a lot of weird wands. So let's see if I can get this to show for you guys. It has got like a longer bristle on one side and a shorter bristle on the other. And so you can really apply that mascara with a shorter bristle and then bring it through with the longer one. It's really weird. I mean, I guess it's not innovative. You know, I'm sure there have been other mascaras like this before. I just never used them. I did not know that this mascara was like that. But when you put on your first coat, it is not thick and fast, but it does separate very well. So if you want a more natural lash, just put on one coat and you know, it's not very thickening. but it does layer nicely. So when you put on a couple coats of it, it really does thicken. It looks good. It doesn't clump up very badly. The one thing that I will say is my eyes water a lot, especially when I'm cold or tired or, you know, anything. And if your eyes water too, I would recommend putting a waterproof mascara over this, because, you know, I try not to really touch my mascara too much. I try to get the water, but even like blinking like this to try to get the water off of the lashes, you end up with a bunch of mascara here. So just a heads up. And let's look at the eyeshadows. This is kind of the star of it. Here we go. So you have 1, 2 mattes, and then the first one, this real light one, is more of a satin than a shimmer, and then you have three shimmers. They are very pretty. I've enjoyed using them. They blend out very nicely. I am wearing them right now. They're not very pigmented. So just throwing that out there, if you're looking for something with a lot of pigment and richness to them, this is not the palette. So let's go in. I'll do 3 at a time. I'm going to start with the lightest shade here. I did not get fallout with these at all. They did a really actually fine job. Like I said, they're not, you know, when you put them on with a brush, they're not super pigmented. Of course, you know, the swatches are totally different because, you know, you're getting your fingers in there. I did use my fingers for the shimmer on my lid, and they still did not show up all that great. I mean, I would say that these are for somebody who likes a subtle look. There we go. So there you go. These are these 6 shades. Very neutral pinks. There's a little bit of gold for the most part. You know, they're pinks. There's a little bit of gold in there. This is even a pinky brown. So I like these. Like I said, they're not really, you know, super pigmented or anything, but they're very pretty. They're very pretty. I think they're nice. Oh, it's called Lid Stuff. That's what it's called, Lid Stuff. I think that they're nice. They're fine. You get all 3 of these for $16. So that would make a good gift if $16 is about what your budget is. I think this is a good gift. I would definitely purchase this for somebody who likes a more natural look. You know, the gloss is just kind of, it's a sheer gloss. Mascara, you know, I like it. And the, you know, eyeshadow looks pretty good. So, yeah, I'd say gift it. Especially for somebody, you know, somebody likes natural. Now, I wouldn't exactly gift this to somebody who always has a super awesome, colorful look every day, you know, obviously. But, all right, guys, that is it. I know that this one's kind of short. Sorry. But that is it for today. All right, we are growing. Spread the word about the makeup community. We want it to become a, you know, real fun, positive place to talk about all things makeup. All right, guys, I will talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.